राइट, आज बहुत ही बड़ा दिन है बिकॉज इट्स ऑलमोस्ट लाइक एज इफ इस जनाब के साथ हमारी एवरीडे मुलाकात हो रही थी फॉर द लास्ट 3-4 months, and I say this very proudly that he was always at the top of our teams when we were making those little leagues of ours. One of the big champions with the bat, and shockingly one of the people who put Don Bradman to shame. Mayank Agarwal, thank you so much for joining me.
Thank you, Salil. It's my pleasure to be speaking to you.
You know, and when I say Don Bradman, I'll tell you why, and you know why as well. But you're like literally one of those cricketers that has gone up the rungs. You know, so if we, those that do well in school, फिर उसके बाद वो फिर डिस्ट्रिक्ट लेवल पर अच्छा करते हैं, उसके बाद वो अंडर 19 में सबसे बड़ा रिकॉर्ड करते हैं, देन आईपीएल में बड़ा अच्छा करते हैं और फिर भारत के लिए खेलते हैं. You know, lot of people have this very strong, difficult journey. लेकिन आपने हर लेवल पर परफॉर्म किया and higher scorers and all. So has it really been a smooth ride as a batsman for you?
See, very, very honestly, it hasn't been a smooth ride. जैसे मैं the way I look at it is that my journey has been very different to other cricketers. Usually sometimes you play well at when you play well for under 19 India and come you get fast tracked and all of that. But for me, it's been a grind, and I'm grateful, and I'm very grateful and very happy with the journey I've had. Yes, I've had lots of struggle, and so does everyone else. So does everyone else have them. But I'm fine. I'm very happy with these struggles, with these years of grind. There's a lot of experience and a lot of learnings that I've taken. And it's something that I really cherish.
आपकी बैटिंग ना बहुत अलग है compared to a lot of the people that are coming up the ladder. क्योंकि भारत में पहले की बात थी 20 years back आपको fast pitches मिलते नहीं थे, fast bowlers मिलते नहीं थे. So a lot of the batsmen were playing on the front foot and all. You were very good with cutting, pulling, back foot player. ये जो आपकी जो बैटिंग थी वो जो नॉर्मल सीमेंट पिचेस पर जो होती है वैसे टाइप का आप रियल में भी कर रहे थे. एंड वी सॉ दैट इन द इंटरनेशनल लेवल जब आप आए थे. तो ये आपने उन जमाने में व्हेन यू वर डूइंग द ग्राइंड जैसे लोग बोलते हैं, कैसे आपने ये वाला स्टाइल ऑफ बैटिंग बहुत अच्छा किया?
जी, सी I'll tell you, इसका क्रेडिट मैं मैटिंग विकेट्स पे देना चाहता हूँ कि जब मैं छोटा था, younger times, that we didn't have tough wickets always. So when we played a school cricket, when we played college cricket, and initially we always played on matting. And you ask any person who plays on matting, there is a lot of bounce, ball katta hai. So you have to automatically become a good back foot player for you to succeed when you're playing in matting. And that's something that I continue to practice on even now, is on matting wickets. It will definitely help you build your back foot play, and it will really help you play that extra bounce, that extra seam. So ऐसी चीजें सीखने को मिलती है in when you play for when you have a long grind. So these are the things that you get to learn. These are the experiences that you have, and it's fantastic. It's very, very nice to have these experiences. And I look at it कि यार it's been hard. It's been a hard grind, but then when I have come with a lot of experience. I've come with a lot of understanding. So I'm very, very happy and very grateful for the journey I've had. And yes, I would credit a lot of playing in a lot of matting wicket to be a good back foot player.
Not just good back foot player, मतलब आप बहुत अटैकिंग प्लेयर भी हैं, बहुत रेंज ऑफ शॉट्स भी हैं, उसकी तो बात करनी ही है. बट व्हेन यू थिंक अबाउट इंडियन क्रिकेट, हमारे पास दो ऑलवेज प्रॉब्लम्स होती थी. एक कपिल देव सर के टाइम से ना हमें एक ऑलराउंडर की खोज में आज तक है. एक आई थिंक कीपर की खोज बीच में जो स्पेशलिस्ट पोजीशंस थे वो बहुत समय से, फर्स्ट देयर वाज धोनी एंड प्राइड दैट वी मैनेज टू फिल इट. एक ओपनर की जो खोज है हर एक फॉर्मेट में, आई थिंक भारत में ओपनिंग बैट्समैन आफ्टर गावस्कर सर वी डिडंट रियली फाइंड बैट्समैन. बीच में सहवाग आए थे, ही वाज अ डिफरेंट स्टाइल ऑफ ओपनर, वो इंटरनेशनली हेडन एंड हिम. बट भारत में एज एन ओपनर इट वाज नॉट द मोस्ट कवेटेड पोजीशन. लक्ष्मण को भी कन्वर्ट करने की कोशिश की, द्रविड़ सर को कन्वर्ट करने की कोशिश की. व्हाट इज द बिग डील? हालांकि अगर आप कभी भी कोई गली क्रिकेट में भी चले जाओ, सबको पहले बैटिंग करनी है. But why did we not develop like the best openers across the world for a long time? Middle order हमारा always ज्यादा strong था. क्यों?
I wouldn't say we haven't developed good openers. We've had terrific openers. The challenge that an opening batsman faces compared to compared to a middle order batsman is quite different. When I wouldn't say that it is easier or it's harder. I'm not a big person of comparison. Compare करने में मैं believe नहीं करता. But एक opening batsman के challenges अलग होते हैं. बॉल नहीं होती है और आप अगर बाहर देश में खेल रहे हो, हाँ, तो स्विंग ज्यादा होता है, कट ज्यादा होता है. सो एंड कोई से भी विकेट पे खेलो आप, पहला 1-1.5 घंटा, देयर इज ऑलवेज समथिंग फॉर द बॉलर्स. So that way you can say that opening the batting is a little different challenge. And when you play middle order and when you play a lower middle order, it's a different challenge. When you come play in a middle order, initially when you bat, if your team is done well, you come into bat and play the reverse swing. As soon as you come into bat, you are playing the reverse swing. So by no means that is also easy. So we've had terrific players play at terrific position, and India is known to to have a very strong batting lineup. And our numbers and the players we've had shows that. And it's great to also see the kind of bowling now India possess, and the kind of threat we have with the bowling is also fantastic.
But were you a converted opener या फिर बचपन से ही always पहले स्ट्राइक लेना, फास्टेस्ट बॉल को फेस करना? बिकॉज हमारे जो फील्ड्स में भी थे, थोड़ा डर लगता था अगर बहुत फास्टर बॉल आता था. चल तू पहले चले जा यार, 2-3 बॉल मार लेगा तो बॉल थोड़ी ओल्ड हो जाएगी. तो आपके ऑलवेज ऐसी थे क्या, मैदान से ही चलो मैं पहले ओपन करूंगा, नो प्रॉब्लम?
यार शुरू से डेयर डेविल रहे. Always been up for a fight, always been up for a challenge. That's something I've looked forward to, and I'm always open to batting. But अगर आप जैसे गली क्रिकेट में बोलते हैं ना, हम लोग ने भी बहुत गली क्रिकेट खेला है. And if you are an opening batsman, then you get to play that many extra overs also. तो थोड़ा power play में ही, say if you are playing white ball cricket, in the power play you have that advantage कि हाँ जाके आप थोड़ा मारोगे, फील्ड के थोड़ा ऊपर मारोगे तो भी 4 रन है. Bowler is also under the pressure, and bowler also hasn't got a rhythm. So I've always felt as a opening batsman का role बहुत important होता है, and it's something that fascinates me. Always, imagine if you can go and play against the fastest bowlers of their team and score runs against them, and take the attack to the opposition. That is a different thrill. It's a different thrill.
और आप वो non-stop करते आए for the last few years, which has been fantastic. When you talk about the World Test Championship, number of runs you scored, even how you played in Test cricket generally. Double hundreds भारत में एक समय ऐसा था जब बहुत कम बैट्समैन बनाते थे. I mean, for the longest time, 236 was the highest score. सुनील गावस्कर साहब का. Till we had Lakshman score the runs, and लोग हमारे बारे में ऐसे ही बोलते थे कि बैटिंग वो अच्छी करते हैं, लेकिन डबल 100 जैसी टच कर दिया, ओके, इंडियंस आर सेटिस्फाइड. तभी लारा 400 मार रहे हैं, हेडन 300 मार रहे हैं. You had a great hunger for scoring runs. When you scored a double 100 also, you're in Test cricket, you just come in there, 10-12 innings में बना रहे हो. वहां पे मैंने डॉन ब्रैडमैन का जो जिक्र किया था, ये एक ऐसा रिकॉर्ड रहता है. एंड आई रिमेंबर वी used to talk about पॉन्टिंग, माइकल क्लार्क, संगकारा, जिनके बहुत डबल 100s थे. Is it really that difficult to pile on the runs वो 150 और 250 के बीच में टेस्ट क्रिकेट में? कई बार हमारे बैट्समैन थोड़ा चूक जाते, जबकि सबसे ज्यादा बैटिंग करना हमें पसंद है. तो हमारे सबसे बड़े स्कोर्स क्यों नहीं आते? What is the, I mean, there is a few triple hundreds now with Sehwag, but otherwise generally ऐसा क्यों है हमारे इंडियन बैट्समैन के साथ?
See, देखो क्या होता है कि गेम थोड़ी चेंज हो गई है अभी. That time, people were happy, not, I wouldn't say happy, there were a lot of more drawn test matches before. Where you could play कि चलो ठीक है, आपने टीम ने 700 रन बना लिए, 800 रन बना लिए. Those days were it was accepted. Now when you see the game has moved forward, where every team that is playing to win. So if you get a 450-500 runs on the board, then you're saying कि हाँ, we are going for a win. It's not like कि चलो 500 बन गए. Obviously, even before, when you got 500 runs, the pressure would be on the opposition. but you would still say manage to go on play chalo 600 700 runs. Now 500 runs declare. I think the hunger has always been there. You know, Viru Paji is somebody who's got triple hundreds for us. You know, we've got Rahul Bhai who's got double hundreds. We've got Sachin Paji who's got double hundreds. We've got so many batsmen who got double hundreds. You know, Wasim Jafar is in that list of people. But for me, I think, you know, the more and more I realize as a batsman is ki when you get set, you know, you want to play long. You know, you want to play the big scores. That's what I think, you know, because there are times when you don't really get those runs. आप कभी जल्दी out हो रहे हो. So when you get set, you want to make it big. I would say that, you know, 150, 200 के बीच में लोग out हो रहे हैं. This probably is because of the situation. No, nowadays कि आप ऐसा नहीं है कि अगर आप 150 पे खेल रहे हो तो आप आराम से धीरे 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 अपना टाइम लेके खेल रहे हो. वो टाइम चला गया है. You know, at when you're playing at 150 now, the team expects you to start dominating more. You know, starts expecting you to score those runs at a faster strike rate. So वहाँ कभी-कभी batsmen चूक जाते हैं. But yeah, if you can score those double hundreds and score triple hundreds at a good rate, then you're putting your team in a fantastic position to, you know, win games. And as a batsman, that is like you said, यार, हर batsman at the end of the day wants to play the most number of balls. हाँ, आज मैंने पूरा दिन खेला है, मैंने 2 दिन खेला, out नहीं हुआ, मतलब bowler थक गए. As a batsman, we enjoy that.
नंबर्स और स्टैटिस्टिक्स भारतीय क्रिकेटर्स के साथ ऑलवेज बहुत हाई रही. पहले वो दर्जा होता था कि 40 45 टेस्ट क्रिकेट में, अब 50 55 इज द न्यू नॉर्म जो माना जाता है. डू दीज नंबर्स प्ले प्रेशर? आपके नंबर्स बहुत अच्छे हैं. यू नो, यू हैड सम ग्रेट नंबर्स इन द लास्ट 2-3 इयर्स. स्टैटिस्टिक्स इंडियन बैट्समैन के जनरली नंबर्स बड़े अच्छे रहते हैं. इज दिस ऑलवेज कभी डिस्कशन, कभी ड्रेसिंग रूम में इसकी होती है, कभी 50 प्लस किसका एवरेज है, कौन बड़ा अच्छा खेल रहा है, ये नंबर्स मैटर करती है?
जी, मैं आपको एक चीज जरूर बता सकता हूँ कि I don't know about the past, but currently numbers don't actually matter. वहाँ इंडियन टीम में और आप बड़े लेवल की क्रिकेट में जब आप खेल रहे हो, आप टीम को कितनी सिचुएशंस जिता रहे हो.
अच्छा.
हाँ, और मुश्किल सिचुएशन से आप टीम को कितनी बार बाहर लेके आ रहे हो. आप जैसे कभी-कभी काउंटर अटैक कर रहे हो, या अगर बेहतरीन गेंदबाजी हो रही है, आप अपने विकेट को कैसे डिफेंड कर रहे हो. एक छोटी, वो चाहे वो 20 रन की पार्टनरशिप ना हो, 30 रन की पार्टनरशिप ना हो, कि आपने वो फेज प्ले आउट कर दिया, वो मुश्किल पीरियड प्ले आउट कर दिया. सो आई थिंक numbers are a byproduct. They will stack up by themselves. But winning situations, putting your team ahead, or when your team is behind, fighting back and getting it into a strong position, those are the things that, you know, I really look at, and the current Indian team looks for that. You know, those are the things that actually win you matches. At the end of the day, even if you get a quick fire 20, or you get a match saving 35 40, and if you've played 150 200 balls, the value is the same. It might not convert or translate into numbers, but यार, अगर आपने एक बेहतरीन मैच 200 बॉल खेल के आपने 30 रन बनाया और मैच जिताया, that is as good as winning a match on, you know, in some other game.
Correct.
So I think situation जीतना बहुत important हो जाता है, and the current team is doing that. You know, that is the main focus. The stats and numbers, you know, if you have a good day, they will stack up. Yeah, those numbers will come.
You're one of the few batsmen जो सारे mediums खेल पाते हैं. मुश्किल बात है. You score fast in T20. What a prolific partnership with Rahul. मतलब इसकी तो हम चर्चा करेंगे ही. मतलब it's amazing for us. Like I said, जो हम लोग dream teams बनाते हैं ना, उसमें बहुत अच्छा होता है हमारे लिए. But how do you now, with so much of T20 cricket happening, वनडे तो बहुत कम होता है, T20 बहुत हो रहा होता है, दुनिया भर में तो T10 हो रहा है, 100 हो रहा है. फिर जब टेस्ट क्रिकेट में आते हैं, बैट्समैन क्या अभी उतना स्विच ऑन कर पाते हैं टेस्ट मैचेस के लिए? अभी आप खेलने वाले हो अगेंस्ट न्यूजीलैंड, यू नो, सो इट्स नॉट अ रिवेंज मोड, बट एवरी बैट्समैन वांट्स टू गो आउट देयर अपने, क्योंकि T20 में आपके 4-5 मौके होते हैं. टेस्ट क्रिकेट में क्या है, अगर बेचारा जल्दी आउट हो, जैसे आप ओपन कर रहे हो, तो आपको शायद 3 दिन इंतजार करना पड़ सकता है अपनी बैटिंग के लिए, या फिर कुछ और भी. सो व्हाट इज द प्रेशर लाइक एक टेस्ट मैच का?
प्रेशर, आई वुडंट से प्रेशर लाइक, जैसे हाँ, ये अगर आप ऐसे देखो तो हाँ, अगर आप जल्दी आउट हो गए तो ये है, इट इज एब्सोल्यूट ट्रूथ दैट यू विल हैव टू प्रोबेबली वेट for a long time you to get a chance. And with sometimes with the Indian batting lineup, you only get that one inning in a game,
Correct.
because a batsman scored those runs, and you don't actually get a second inning. But also as an opening batsman, you have that chance, like you said, to score double hundreds and triple hundreds that some players batting in the middle order or lower middle order don't really have that opportunity. Yeah, and facing pressure and facing the new ball is going to be a challenge, especially in Test cricket. But the fun, I think, as a player, if I have to rate myself, or if I have to look back, and you can speak to the greats of the game, they will judge, probably everyone will judge themselves on how much Test cricket they have played, how well they have performed in Test cricket, whether you be a bowler, batsman, all rounder, everything. That is the toughest and the
Ultimate.
purest, yeah, ultimate form of the game. It's not जैसे आपने वनडे और T20 खेला, चलो T20 में क्या है, if you've had a bad day, okay, you had a bad day, you pack your kit, ठीक है, एक दिन या 2 दिन के बाद you'll have another game. Same thing with the one day. If you have had a bad day, fine, you had a bad day. If you had a good day, great, you had a good day, you put in those performances. But a Test match is like a war. It's like a battlefield. You can't just go and have a good day and you won. It's not that. You have to come in, day out, over a period of 5 years. Oh, sorry, not sorry, over a period of 5 days, and play consistently over a period of 5 days, and play consistently well for you to win a match. So it tests you physically. When you're playing 6 hours a day minimum for 5 days, it tests you physically. It really tests you mentally. And in a Test match, the amount of situations you're put in, the amount of difficult situations you're put in, is a lot more. In a white ball game, if you have the momentum, if things are going your way, you take it. Chalo, aapko 50 over hai, it's yours. You go. It's with that momentum, you can flow. But in a Test match, other teams break that flow. You have a break, then you have to recreate the flow. So it's very intriguing. It's like a game of chess. You make a move, and there are moves that you make now that might come handy, say, a day later. So it's very interesting for somebody who's a purist, somebody who really watches cricket. Playing and watching Test cricket is a different fun.
Sir, for us, it's always been a different high. But as a batsman, do you think your T20s helped you in Test cricket, or like so many batsmen across the world, technique change हो गई है, so they're no longer able to bat so well Test cricket में, because ये हमने दुनिया भर में देखा है, they are hitting more shots, they are no longer leaving as many balls. So as an opener, कैसे आपने ये handle किया है दोनों varieties?
मैं आपको एक चीज बताता हूँ, बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग चीज बताता हूँ, कि people are not changing their game. If you're a Test player and T20 player, you don't have to change your game. See, the basics, if you understand your game, and the basics will remain the same. That hasn't changed. I would say innovation has changed. It's become more innovative. But for you to be innovative, you must still have a strong base and strong basics. On top of that, you can innovate, you can do fancier things. But if you don't have a solid base, I wouldn't say that you can't do it, but then you're taking a big chance.
Correct.
And that is today's game. I wouldn't say it has changed, but it's got faster in the sense that people are now playing a lot more for result, even in a Test match. So, and you would say that, okay, batsmen used to leave a lot and play with a lot more patience, but with technology, now you have video analysis, where the video, where those guys tell you, or your bowling team, where is the weakness of a batsman. So the bowlers now are also very sharp and very smart, and they're not going to let you, it's not going to let you leave the ball all day long. If you don't like it in a particular area, they will make sure they test you there. They'll keep pricking you. And it's not like in a one-day game or T20 game, उन्होंने एक दो अच्छी ball डाली, वहां डाली, आपने एक chance दिया, चौका लग गया, तो suddenly, because the situation of the game, you have to change. They will keep, if you want to bat for 2 days, then you make sure ki, haan, bhai, they will also keep poking you and troubling you in those areas that you don't like. So the game has evolved a lot in that sense.
your partnerships, have worked so well at the top of the order. और अक्सर ऐसा होता है कि दो अलग अलग स्टाइल ऑफ प्लेयर्स हम देखते हैं, अक्सर इन द हिस्ट्री इट्स ऑलवेज हैपेंड. One slightly more attacking, one choosing more against spin. These days I'm seeing with you're strong in both facets. Spin ke against P and then a great partnership with Rahul also. And you go back and forth in even the test matches with the partners that keep coming in. New setup Indian team, new coach, new captain, same players. How does this mathematics work? I mean, you're all teammates, of course, but how do you focus in a perfect way, A, with your partnerships and batting, and B, in partnerships with the team?
See, that is the beauty of a team sport. If you had to only think of yourself, then you would be playing an individual sport. That's the thing. That's the beauty of team sport, where you have to understand what your role is in the team. You have to understand what the team demands from you, and then align yourself to that, and then play. Talking about partnerships as a batting, when you're batting, you have to understand in a way you're playing 2 against 11 at that very moment. Correct. Because as a fielding side, there are 11 players, and as a batsman, you're only 2 batsmen at once who can be batting. So that's where partnerships come. Where you understand, on that particular day, if you're feeling good, you're batting well, chalo theek hai, main isko chance lunga. Or if one guy is bowling exceedingly well, both of you talk and say, okay, he's bowling exceedingly well, let's play him out, let's be sensible against him. And you use that and say, okay, today, or you say, okay, I'm a good player of spin. And if somebody is bowling well, say, okay, I can get more runs, say maybe few more runs to a spinner. Or somebody else can say, aaj main fast bowler, I can score runs against fast bowlers. I'm feeling good, or I'm pretty confident about taking on the fast bowlers. So that is the thing that
but I would say that in the last year or two, आपका attacking batting बहुत ज़्यादा बढ़ गया है. क्या आप always ऐसे ही थे? मतलब it's not like you were slow earlier, but I feel now you have started jumping out of the guns much faster. Has there been the conscious रहा है वो attempt?
No, I would say that has come more to do because of the understanding of my own game. Once you understand your own game and understand your own mind as to how, what you can do with your technique, what is your strength, what is your weakness, and then understand of how you react and respond to different situations. The more you understand that, the easier it gets for you. Because it's just because that, okay, this is my strength. If playing an off spinner is my strength, then ki off spinner aaya, I can capitalize a little more, I can cash in a little more. And you say, okay, this is something that I don't enjoy as much. Then you say that, why would I want to be extra attacking or take that extra risk and lose my wicket? And then say, okay, how do I negotiate? And how do I, just negate negate the kind of ball he's bowling, and then play on. But yeah, if I think, you get more attacking, and once you get more clarity of clarity, understanding, you can use whichever word you want. If you get clarity and understanding of your game and yourself, then it becomes a lot easier. And that's something that's happened for me in these years. And I would again say that, like, I wouldn't say that, I've had it hard, but I've had that opportunity. I've had more time to understand myself and my game compared to others, because I've gone through that grind. So that is an advantage. Instead of looking at it, I've had it hard, or, I've got it late. I would say that I've had a lot more opportunity to understand my game and understand myself.
So now your perspective is clear. You know that if you want to hit the 6, that's it. I'm just going to go for it. Less fear. And Mayank Agarwal is playing with less fear, which is a great thing to see, because it augurs well for Indian cricket. बहुत बड़ी series against New Zealand in many ways, because ये test match भी इतने दिनों के बाद, World Test Championship, World Cup में, a lot of things, and the strongest team that always England, Australia, New Zealand and India, ये 4 टीमें सारे formats में dominate करते आए for the last 2 years. Is it an easier proposition क्योंकि भारत में है और शायद हम लोग का upper hand रहेगा? Climate is not a problem right now because it's in in November. So how excited or nervous, anxious कैसी है team और आप? before the series?
See, excitement hai. That I can tell you that everyone's really excited. It's the start of a new World Test Championship ka cycle. So we are all ready to go. We are all really excited. And rahi home conditions ki baat, I would say yes. We have a little advantage because we are playing at home. We know these conditions a lot better than them. But like you said, New Zealand are a top side. They have won the last World Test Championship, so they have played in different conditions. And now with the IPL and so many other franchise cricket also, you have players from all over the world play in different conditions.
Correct.
So they have also experienced what it is like to play in India. What kind of pitches you get in India, and also understand the climate and all of those things. But definitely, how much ever they've come and experienced, it can negate to a certain extent. But playing at home is
Yeah.
obviously that
Yeah.
advantage, feel good factor. If there are crowds, then there's nothing like it. People are cheering for you. That added extra motivation. And हम लोग सब जानते हैं कि we Indians, we love our sport. We get the maximum amount of support. Whether in fact, that's the thing that I must credit all of us for, is that we really back our teams. Whether we're
Yes.
playing in India, we're playing in Australia, you play in England, anywhere, you will always find a good, strong Indian support. So that's something that we really enjoy too.
Mayank, how difficult was it to play in the last 2 years? लोग नहीं है, डर भी रहता है, बायो बबल स्ट्रेस, ये सारी चीजें, प्लस जो भी है, डजंट मैटर व्हाट द कंडीशंस, अखबार में और वो सारी चीजों में तो एग्जैक्ट वही है, एज इफ देयर वाज अ नॉर्मल सिचुएशन. You score a 50, it's a 50, whether it's in a bio bubble, whether it's without crowds, or whether it's not. How difficult has it been as a player for you in the last 2 years?
See, I would say that it has been different. It's a different challenge. I would look at it as a different challenge. That you're playing in a bio bubble. Usually, you do just go out for a meal, with your friends and with your teammates, which isn't possible now. But that also, it also provides us an opportunity to spend more time together as team. As teammates, play a lot more games together, because you can't really go out of the hotel.
Correct.
So you now you start
So
spending.
what are the
more
other
time with
games
your team.
you guys playing? Chess, carom, Scrabble, these kind of things, or video games?
I see. Definitely, PlayStation is
Yeah.
is a massive entertainment for us. There are a lot of good table tennis players in the team.
Really? Who's
in
the
the team.
best? Who's the best?
Pujara is very good. Yeah.
Achha.
Pujara is good. KL plays well. Hardik plays well. So we've got some really, really good players. And PS की तो बात ही मत करो. You have एक से बढ़कर एक है PS में, धुरंधर. And then we started playing Monodeal, the Monopoly game that comes. You play Monodeal. Ashwin came out with a game called Mafia. You have 10, 12 people in the team playing together. So it's a lot of fun. It's a lot of fun.
Good
But yes,
bonding.
there's good bonding happening. But yes, it is a different challenge that you have to come in quarantine alone for 7 days. You can't meet anyone. You have to spend that much time away from home. So it works both ways.
I know it's always going to be tough. I'm just going to sign off with a question. Every cricketer earlier is to have a personal little goal. Let's have a little diary. I plan to score at least 100 and 150 in this, or something like that. Have you had these kind of goals, and have you set a goal for yourself for New Zealand?
I am somebody who sets goals for myself, but I'm very secretive that way.
But you have. So there is a number in your head that you say that मेरे को इतना runs बनाने का.
I wouldn't say there's a number in my head, but there are a few boxes you want to tick off in terms of preparation, and then there are a few things that you really want to do on the cricket field.
Yeah.
So those things are there, but they're quietly there in the diary. It's not out in the open.
You're a rare breed for us. Successful opening batsman. It's very, very difficult in all formats across the world also. So, man, please play as you are and bring us so much of joy with your 4s and 6s. Thank you so much for joining me.
Thank you so much, Salil. Thank you so much. It was lovely chatting with you. I had a great time. Thank you for having me.
Thanks, man. Take care. Bye bye.
Cheers. Bye bye.